In the Gilded Bird, break 4004. We're full. Good luck. Dice roll 5 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reds up top. Nationals at the bottom. Five times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Vardaman up top. Basso at the bottom. Sort them out. Fix Andrew's name. Don't know why it started doing that again. Again, Reds didn't sort. They're at the top. There's your teams. Gilded Bird. Good luck. Here we go.
I got your print, man.
Andrew Badashi.
I got your print.
Thanks, Bobby. Come on, guys. Gilded Bird. Here we go. Here we go. That's all that, Steve. Sorry for your loss, brother. Prayers for you and yours. Uh-oh. Double gold frames. That's the second box where we got double gold frames. Off the back, Esturi Ruiz. 44 out of 99 for Oakland and Alan Webster. There you go, Alan.
Alan on the board.
79 pointers. What the heck?
I didn't touch him, man. You can't even blame me.
Can't blame you. Not this time.
I've heard you on camera a couple times blaming me. I'm like, I didn't even touch those things.
Chipper Jones, 7 out of 10 for the Braves. Going to Will Smith. There you go, Will. Chipper to 10. It's nasty. Gold Wave, 7 of 10. Mic isn't working for break camera. Can you pull me down there? Just scroll down right there on that tiny thing and... What do you mean? Sure sounds like it's working, Josh. Looks like it too. That any better? Hello, hello.
Give me my phone right there. I'll pop it up and make sure.
Next up, another one for the Braves. Matt Olson. I think he's right. I think it's changed again. I think it's registering as that microphone now. Because normally it would. I mean, even when I talk into it, look, it's registering the one with you. So I'm going to have to fix it. Matt Olson to 75.
I thought I was talking to this one.
Yep. Ken Waldachuk for Oakland again to 75. Alan Webster having a break.
Buy Bobby a pack of what?
He found a pair of Pickle Rick boxers that he's found.
Pickle Ricks. Thank you. Yeah, Steven.
Oakland have a break. Dennis Eckersley to 99. 50 out of 99 on the Eckersley. Again, guys, I will fix that microphone here shortly.
Sounds like it's working to me.
Yeah, it's definitely, it's set up. You found a pair of Pickle Rick boxers that he's found. For some reason, that is set up on that one.
Yeah,
So
it's
I should
backwards.
fix it. Last card of the break. Good luck, good luck. Again, I didn't do that last night either. I don't know what the heck's going on with it. To 50. For the Cardinals, Ozzie Smith. Nice card there, going to Jacob Lazinger. Congratulations, Jacob. Got some 180s laying around here, buddy?
Don't know. Yeah.
I did good.
You brought them in here the other day. I just forgot to put them up there. I used the other last one. I don't know. He must not have used any yesterday.
No, sir. Got Ozzie on the gold frame to 50 for the Cardinals. Quick recap. Waldachuk for the A's to 75. Madison for the Braves. Chipper Jones, Braves. Ruiz, A's. Eckersley, A's. And Cardinals. Ozzie Smith. That is the break, guys. Gilded Bird in the books. Thanks for the fill. All right, guys, let me figure out this camera situation.